Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add an Etsy banner to your store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Etsy website right here at etsy.com if you're not already. So once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, which is the home page from where we can get started. In the upper right corner, you can get started with logging in. If you do not already have an account, what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have one, just create one. So after creating one, log in normally, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page. In the main page, we can get started. From this main page, we can get started by browsing all the products we can use, and we can get started managing our store right here from the upper right corner. You can open up your store and your profile to get started. Now we can take a look at how to use a banner. Basically, as you can see right here in the official Help Etsy website, we have the steps on how to customize your shop's appearance and how to customize your shop banner. So what we're going to do is follow the steps right here to add your shop banners. Follow the steps. You go to etsy.com as I have just showed you and go to your shop manager. Once you're there guys, you want to select the pencil icon that is next to your shop name under the sales channels and select the banner to showcase your brand and listings at the top of the page. There you can choose what kind of banner you want. You can upload an image and select the banner, and after that just click done, and successfully you're going to go and be adding the banner to your website, and this is how you can get started with using it for your store, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.